run and finally push for a title which has eluded them for years. With Nanda especially though, sometimes the final product is lacking, and it's wonderful to have competition amongst those wide players. This is more like it, as Figueira quickly with a nutmeg and trying to put it past Vishal Yadav. First attack, first shot, first threat.
They're going to line themselves up. Edmund linking up brilliantly once again. It's a beautiful little nutmeg from Miguel Figueira. And just trying, once he's rolled it through one defender's leg, probably just trying to roll it through the keeper's legs. Vishal Yadav's.
The flair required. Figueira, that's cleared away by Rafa Ribeiro. Result in a chance, or at least something inside the box, and not just that, it results in a goal. What a start, as Augustine Lalrochana scores SC Delhi's first Indian Super League goal, and it's a special one.
Changes that SC Delhi has made. One man coming in, Augustine Lalrochana, one-on-one against the fullback, takes him on and then drills that into the bottom corner. Really good weight play. Anwar Ali just going in to get the block, was too slow getting across, but this is just wonderful. Just goes past Jay Gupta as if he wasn't there, and then just drills it low and hard. That's exactly what you want to do from that angle. From this one.
Pass on side. Augustine. Oh! Low pass on side. Augustine. Oh!
So it's a young team. So there's a fearlessness. What an attempt! Oh, it's gone straight through Vishal Yadav. Edmund Lalwindika.
Wow, just wow. What a hit this is from Edmund Lalwindika. Absolutely brilliant. We talk about impacts. The impact of the two players who are making a start today. Eyes on the ball, great technique, struck it absolutely brilliantly.
Ali and Jay Gupta. That's the area that they're targeting. Every attack has come from there, bar the one from Manoj Mohammed crossing it in. Here's Edmund. Was he caught? Clearly is caught. Penalty given. We're going to have a turnaround within 10 minutes.
One man who's been in the talks a lot, but that's just a clumsy challenge from young Clarence. He's got it.
Ezejari. East Bengal score while Delhi's celebrations are still lodged in their throats. From 1-0 down to 2-1 up in the matter of minutes.
Make contact with Edmund, and Edmund making the most of it. Sends the keeper the wrong way and just side foots it into the opposite side. Just straight down the middle. Clever free kick. Just waiting for the goalkeeper to make it.
Just skied up by Popovic, and then no one challenging Jay Gupta, who was
compact in the opposition half, where more than likely they're going to be able to win the ball back when it comes back out.
Oh, Figueira's ball is beautiful towards Ezejari. Header straight to Vishal Yadav.
Okay, he's just got a magical left foot. And you know exactly as he's going to cut back onto his left foot. Perfectly weighted cross. And Ezejari would be disappointed he just didn't get enough on that.
Recommended by the coaching staff. That makes a difference. Oh, it's a great ball. Once more, Jay Gupta. Third attempt at goal.
Possessions swung both ways early on. Delhi had a larger chunk of the possession, but tended to sort of sit back a little bit more after that second goal.
Oh, what a glorious ball from Figueira. What a wonderful finish from Ezejari. A new partnership is born. And it's delightful. East Bengal running away with this.
Another wonderfully weighted and cushioned pass into the striker's path. Look straight away the appreciation from Ezejari, because it's all in the path. The pass is absolutely inch perfect. Once he's got there, striker of his ability, his experience, Great first touch and just knows where the goal. Even Ezajari dropping deep into his own half.
Manoj goes for it. Oof, it's a good save from Prabsukhan. Just letting everyone know he had that covered.
That's a great hit. Really asks questions of Prabsukhan.
Figuera, oh, it's just incredible. Bipin. Nanda Kumar. A touch took him away from goal.
Yeah, wonderfully threaded ball through for Bipin. Picks his head up, spots Nanda's run. It's just a poor touch as it skips off.
Let's come back into the box, added some pressure. Joseph Sunny then just leaning on his marker as Crystal John blows the half-time whistle. What an incredible half of goals, especially if you're a neutral or an East Bengal fan. Started with a lot of promise, but then Miguel Figuera and Ezejari and Edmund all getting on in the act and making it in a game. One of those victories, 4-3 win against Tampines, and he scored. Now Miguel Figuera. Perfect weight on that for Nanda Kumar. One touch, and then he's blazed it over. Oh, just stops in front of Nanda Kumar. Given how many times Figuera is finding the wingers. Meanwhile, Babovic. Azhar sends it in. Well defended by Jackson. Manoj with that ball in. Cleared away by Anwar. And now picked up by Edmund, who's looking up. Almost finding Nanda Kumar.
I think he'd be frustrated. Nanda Kumar, the opportunities that he's had really should have been added to the score sheet. And that's what you get with Nanda. He'll score you the spectacular goal. He'll take players on one day, and then saw in the last game, a glorious chance to score a goal, free header inside the 6-yard box. And again today, squandered it.
Time being. Here's Vishnu. It's a good hit. Shal Yadav does well to get onto the ball the second time. Manoj. It's a beautiful ball. Oh, and somehow he's just gone past the two white jerseys. One of them was Alan Saji.
It's not just Manoj Mohammed. Even we're wondering how that didn't end up in the back of the net. It's a wonderful delivery. Just asking for someone to slide and get on the end of it. I think it's just bounced over.
More of the possession in this second half for Delhi. It's a marauding run as well from Gugu. Prabsukhan just making sure it goes out. It's a corner.
An experienced fullback going on a run. And needed some good defending.
Half so far. It's a good delivery as well from Manoj. Oh, just kisses the top of the bar and goes out from Ribeiro. It's a good run here from David Amar. We'll come back to that point. Now Figuera hits the woodwork and cleared away eventually by Azhar.
Just see a little disagreement between the two. David Amar feeling, and then Miguel just took it off his feet. The highlights reel is going to show you Miguel's and there's Ezejari's.
Yes, Figuera. And that is that. Job done. Game over.
Give him time and space in this sort of area. He is not afraid to shoot, and why would he be? An absolute thunderbolt of a shot. Just curling and arcing away from the goalkeeper. As Oscar Bruzon breathes a sigh of relief, knowing now he can relax.
And his goal came at just the right time to send back